Hi, welcome to another additional At Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Gianni, culinary expert, and today in Winnie's Kitchen I'm going to show you how to cook a meal in less than 30 minutes in a combi steam Miele oven. Our meal is going to be based on a nice basmati rice which has been already washed. It's 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cup of water with a pinch of salt. Then we got a nice salmon fillet. It's about roughly 200 grams, thick 2 centimeters. And then we got like whole broccolini here. I'm going to show you a unique function about this oven here. The function I would like to show you today is menu cooking, which is quite a unique feature for Miele combi steam oven. If we go on a special application, we press menu cooking here. Menu cooking basically allows you to cook 3 different kind of ingredients at the same time in the oven and delivers you an healthy meal in just 30 minutes. What I'm going to select now is just the rice. If I go here, press rice button, gives you a quite good selection, different kind of rice. I'm going to select my rice, which is the basmati. And here basically the oven is telling me what should I do with the rice. I have already done, I've already rinsed it, I already put the water in there. I just press OK. And then another menu comes up and I want just to go and add one more food. In this case, I would like to add the fish. Here we got salmon, which is just here, and give you again 3 kind of cut of salmon, which in this case is fillet, steak or piece. In my case, it's just fillet, roughly 2 centimeters thick. It's telling me to put in a perforated tray and add food again. I would like to add my broccolini in there. Easy to pick broccolini, the floret in this case, and I would say they are small size. And here again it's asking me what kind of cooking would you like on your broccolini, al dente or more softer. So I like quite al dente. I keep a little bit down and press OK. Now my oven is asking me to put in the basmati rice, which it might be the longest cooking in this case. I'm simply going to press OK. As you can see, the oven is cold. There is no steaming there yet. So the oven has like a pre-programmed everything. It starts to heating up now. And then we see when we're going to add the next. Now my oven just beeped and it's required to me to put in the salmon. I'm going gently open the oven. As you can see, a lot of steam is coming up there. And just going to put the salmon in here, close it, and press OK. And now the oven is going to reach again the temperature and keep on cooking and let me know what's going on with the next ingredient. Miele is a German brand and it's a perfect home cook machine who deliver professional results. Another great thing about this oven that it has a lot of function and programs that it does all the thinking for you. The oven is requiring me to go in with the broccolini. I'm just going to put it in and press OK. So I think we are not that far from our meal. Just get ready with a nice plate and all the seasoning ingredient that we need to finish this amazing plate. I got here organic extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Now my meal is ready. I'm just going to open gently in here and have a look what's going on. So I got here nice, fluffy, soft rice, as you can see. With our telescopic rail here, I'm going to take our nice broccolini al dente and the salmon. So again, everything has been cooked in a steam, so it's very, very healthy recipe. Take my rice on the plate, just put the salmon next to it, and I like to finish with my greens, nice and crunchy. Finished up with a nice drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, some salt and pepper. And then you have it. Here is my simple steamed salmon fillet with broccolini and rice. Thanks for watching, and please follow us on Instagram or jump on our website to see more recipes like this.